Hello, this is Shoyan, a Japanese carpenter. Today, I'll use this unique shaped log. This kind of timber is called henboku. It's a log with many branches. I'd like to adjust the lengths, make tenons, and install it at the position. First, decide the cutting line using a scale. It's difficult to put a scale on it because of lack of space due to many branches. This material is a log of Japanese cypress. The surface is already finished by planing. It's originally 60-year-old tree, which means it's roughly as old as me. I've been working as a carpenter for a long time, and I've processed logs with nags projecting around 50 millimeters. That kind of nags are called debushi. I have some experiences like that, but I've never seen a log with such long branches. This is my first experience to process this kind of material. This must be a unique column. First, decide the center line seen from the top side, relying on the sense. Basically, when we draw marking on logs, we usually draw a center line or set a tight thread as center. Then draw other marking based on that. But in this case, it's impossible to set a thread due to many branches. So first of all, put the log horizontally. To do that, adjust the level of the log as the center point. Then from this horizontal stance, measure the vertical dimension and draw the marking of tenon. The end of this top branch is supposed to hit the beam next to the column when it's installed at the position, so cut the end of the branch in advance. First, cut a guideline using a circular saw. Cut it by circular saw as much as possible. Cut the remaining portion by manual saw. Japanese cypress is a hard material, so cut it carefully not to tear at last. This log is put horizontally, so I can draw a level marking easily by putting 90-degree scale on the stands. Now I'm trying to turn it, but it's really hard because many branches are disturbing the movement. During the marking step, it's better to put it horizontally to use a stance as a reference horizontal line. Okay, I managed to turn it. Then cut up the tenons at both ends. This column will be installed after erection of main structure of the building. I'll make long tenon at the top end, and that of the bottom end is only 15 millimeters long. The bottom tenon is one direction to keep the column from twisting. I think it's enough for this time. As you can see, this column has many branches. The branches keeps this column from wobbling, so it's very stable. At the top side, make a mortise just beside of a branch. After fixing the beam, it will look cool if there is a branch near the beam, I think. So even it's a little difficult, I'd like to do like that. The portions that can be seen after fixing is better to be cut by a fine-toothed saw. It's really hard to turn this column, so I'm trying to reduce the times of turning it and cut this end and another end every turn. Maybe this seems a little strange for you, but it's more efficient to reduce times of turning this column. When I install this column, fix the top end first and slide the bottom end to fit at the position. So shape one side of the bottom tenon diagonally to let the column slide smoothly. The head of this chisel gets loose, so there is a metallic sound. I'm sorry for the unpleasant sound. The top tenon is fixed manually, so shape the corner a little larger. Next, make groove on the barrier to slide the column. When I fix the column, I use this groove as a guide to slide the column. Now, cutting is completed. Let's install it. Remove the jacks that I set in advance. Okay, now I completed installing this unique log. It's very presentable, looks splendid. That's all. Thank you for watching my video.